Hello there everybody. Today I will be showing you how you can make aliases in Windows PowerShell. So this is how you do it. First, to make an alias, you just go in here, new alias, name. Now this will be the name of the shortcut. I'll be using Notepad for today. So the shortcut should be NP. And the value is basically the location. The location of Notepad is in Windows. So you can go over here, right click it, properties, and then you see here, location, C, colon, / Windows, copy that. Go over here, space, quotation mark, there, and then you do another /, you do notepad.exe, and you do another quotation mark. After you've done that, press enter, and your new shortcut has been made. So now if you do MP, and that's the name, then look at that, it's Notepad. But there is still one flaw to this. If you exit PowerShell, for example, and you go back in, try using MP again, and this happens. So it's not permanent. But if you saw my last video, you would know that we made a profile. And this is what profiles are made for. So if you go in here, you do notepad.exe space $sign profile, you should be in here. Now this is what you want to type. My location is in the C drive, so of course I'm gonna make it in the C drive, so like that. And then we also need to clear it as well, so clear host. After that, we just type in the command again, so new alias, name, MP, value, and /notepad.exe. And now you just do Control S, and now you saved it. So you can exit out of this now, exit out of this too. And if you go back into PowerShell, over here, let's see what's wrong with this. Alright, so what you want to do if this happens, then just go here and just look in this. Oh, as you can see here, I forgot to add the dash. So that's really important. If you do just one little mistake, it will just ruin the whole script. So let's save it again. Let's go back in here, exit, go into PowerShell. Now, as you can see here, it's empty. If you do MP, it works. You can open up Notepad. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and if you enjoyed, please hit that like button below. Also, if you don't mind, please subscribe as well. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one.